Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fall soup recipe that's filled with tons of healthy, nutritious vegetables and spices, and also great to warm you up during those colder evenings. Thank you to Grace, shout out to Grace for this recipe, and now let's just get right to it. Let's get to the recipe. You'll need 2 chicken breasts, 4 carrots, 3 chayote squash, 6 tomatoes, 2 containers of chicken broth, 1 white onion, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and some ginger. Now let's get to cooking. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope this recipe provides you with something warm, something cozy to warm you up during the colder fall evenings, and provides you with that nutrition that you need to do the amazing work that you do every day. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.